Hello everyone, myself R. Ernest. Today our topic is BMC of Spotify. Now we are going to see about key partners of BMC, record labels and music publishers, and Spotify partners with major and independent record labels and music publishers to obtain the licenses of streaming their catalog of music. Artists and content creators, Spotify and collaborate with artists and contact categories to promote the music and create polish it and produce exclusive content for the platform. Hardware and software provide Spotify and integrate with various hardware and various to offer the diffuser device and platform including smartphone and smart speakers, cars and home entertainment system, advertisement and...
Hi, my name is Ashok. Today's topic is Spotify. There are key activities: music streaming, content acquisition, technology development, user experience enhancement, marketing and partnership, data analysis and insights, expansion and globalization, monetization strategies. Today's music streaming, providing a platform for user to stream a music for a stable library of songs. Content acquisition means content acquisition, consolidation, acquiring license and agreement with record labels and distribution to expand its music catalog. Technology development, developing and maintaining the technology institution to support seamless music streaming, including algorithms for personalized playlist and recommendations. User experience enhancement, improving the user experience through interface updates, feature enhancement and platform accessibility across devices. Marketing partnerships, engaging in marketing competition and forming strategic partnership to attract new users and retain existing ones. Data analysis and insights, analyzing user data to gain insights into listening habits, preference and trends to enhance recommendations and tailored contents.
Key resources for Spotify music catalog. Spotify extensive library of songs and albums is one of its primary resources. This catalog includes music from major record labs as well as independent artists. Technology infrastructure. Spotify relies heavily on its technology infrastructure to stream music to users worldwide. This includes servers, data center and streaming that deliver music efficiently. User data. Spotify collect and analyze user data to playlist and advertisements. This data is circular for understanding user performance and behavior. Constant licensing. Agreement of Spotify serves license agreements with record label, music publisher and artists to stream their music on the platform.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Ibas. Today our topic is Spotify. The value and purpose of Spotify lies in the ability of offer user convinced cash to library of music and process from around the world. It produced recommended playlist and options. It discover new arts and journals based on user trends. It contains to cater at different needs, offering and supporting free listening for premium feature like free playback. Offline is listening in higher audio quality, enhancing the overall user experience. All Spotify aims to produce an enjoyable music and audio streams exclusive for users.
Myself Akash Ji, I am going to talk about customer responsibility of Spotify. First of all, personalized recommendations. Spotify uses the algorithms in machine learning to analyze user listening habits and preferences to provide personalized recommendations for music, playlists and podcasts. Customized playlist. User can create their own playlist or follow a playlist tailored to specific moods and or activities. User engagement. Spotify engages with its user through social media platforms, email newsletters and app notifications, keeping them informed about new releases or personalized playlists and special promotions. Feedback mechanism. Spotify actively
solicits feedback from users through surveys and customer support channels and community forums to understand user needs and preferences better. Customer support. Spotify offer customer support services to address new user inquiries, technical issues and account related concerns promptly.